the LG V20 user. Today I'm doing a video on the Alcatel SMARTFLIP for AT&T PREPAID. So this is a new phone for AT&T PREPAID. This is a flip phone down as you see right here. This is a flip phone. So, yeah. So it's $59.99 for this flip phone. So red one and plain and black. So there it is right there. So if you guys are looking for a trap phone, backup phone, or whatever, this phone to check them out. So, I mean, this is, flip phone. What else do you want to do, So you guys have your N key there, send key right here, then you get your birthday key here, your number of keys here, and all that, so, yeah. So it's easy and intuitive, of course, long lasting battery, simply connect, and you also have accessibility for all, so that's really nice as well. Finally, so it says the SMARTFLIP is a modern flip phone with some of the key essentials of a smartphone and none of it has the 2.8-inch display in place and easy to use, easy to see, and the touch keypad is designed for quick dialing and navigation. Alright, so this has a 2.8-inch display. It's probably an external display as well. Here's the some pictures of the Alcatel SMARTFLIP here. There's right there, close it. This has a camera on there. Has a little external display, AT&T logo. That's really nice. Yeah, the guys will what looks like on this cable. Looks like it has like a charging port on the left side. Back of the Alcatel SMARTFLIP is your speaker right here. Alcatel brand right here. And it's supposed to be another image right here. But that I'm not before, but let's keep going to check it. Section this Alcatel SMARTFLIP. It's not much to it. It's a flip phone. It's pretty much all there is to it. So the Alcatel SMARTFLIP dimensions are 4.13 inches height, 2.8 inches width, and 0.75 inches up. The phone weighs 4.16 ounces. Like I said, 2.8 inch internal display, 340 by 240 pixels. The external display, I don't know the exact size of that. You have a 2 megapixel big spectral camera there, and you can capture video so on this one 352 by 288 at 30 frames. So the video will look shitty as fuck. 1359 battery, which is movable, 6.8 hours of talk time. So your standby time is 320 hours. Processor is Qualcomm 210, 5-core 1.1 GHz, 4 GB of internal storage, external up to 13 GB for micro SD card, 512 megabytes of RAM. It has also has Google Assistant on this one as well, which is interesting. It says iOS 2.5. I don't know the exact address for this one, so I don't know. 4G bands there, 2, 4, 5, 12, and 14. It's a GX75 Force Wi-Fi connectivity, It's 8 to 11 BGU, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Bluetooth is ER and all that. Qualcomm noise pricing, wireless emergency alerts, and then a SIM card. Apps on this SMARTFLIP is YouTube, Google Maps, browser, calculator, email, Google search. Interesting. New apps from the new apps from Alcatel coordinated this on apps to get my AT&T with fast, easy, account access, virtual internet anytime. Web browser, yes. text messages, music player is your standard media player. Sustainability there. It's a product code and shit. What you have to get in Alcatel SMARTFLIP box is AC adapter, USB micro cable. Quick start guys, nothing special. There is a headphone jack in this room. I believe it's 2.5 headphone jack. So there you guys have it, Alcatel SMARTFLIP and AT&T PREPAID for $59.99. So you guys have interested, you guys heard of it for a backup phone, a trap phone, or the phone for your parents or whatever. This one's worth checking out. Oh yeah, you see right there, YouTube's right there. You have Maps, you have Google Assistant, you have KOS, I think that's what it is, KAIOS, I think. So it has a modified version of Android on there, so that's pretty interesting there. So this does play YouTube, which is pretty cool. There's Google Assistant, which is really cool. So if you do get some smartphone features in this phone, so yeah, that's really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If you let us know what, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video and for information. Peace out.